is it Wednesday?
Tuesday.
We are on Tuesday. You lose count of the days. So we're on our way now to Clacktole Beach. Weather's not as good as it's been. It's a bit rainy, and as you can see, the scenery is as dramatic as yesterday, but the water looks much greyer. So we're a little disappointed with today so far, but we're hoping that the weather improves and the outlook will be better. Little stream. It's the marks down the side of the hill there. It's quite dramatic. And a little bit of snow on the top. Not much. Just a little.
So this is Clacktole Beach, and there's Deb.
A bit cold. Chilly.
So we had an interesting journey here today. Mum's been a bit worried on a couple of the roads.
Very small road. Very small road. That's it. I've nothing more to say on the road, really. It's just very small.
There's a little.
I feel my pom-pom shaking then. There, it's just
Walking down to the gorge. It's not rainy.
It's not raining. Sorry.
Swinging bridge.
bridges that they have over here. But they're beautiful either side.
I won't look.
No, you can look at the pictures afterwards with the window open because it's so flipping warm. What's this bridge called? The Firth on the 4th on the 5th or something.
That's Edinburgh.
Well, anyway, we came over this bridge on the way into or onto the North Coast 500 when we left Inverness, and now we're on the way home. Well, we're not actually on the way home, we're on the way to Loch Ness for 2 nights before starting to head down to England. So here we go. It's we're feeling that the landscape is very, very flat, which is very strange. Because it's not, there's still lovely rolling hills in the distance, but they're not the hills that we're used to for the last 8 days. Anyway, our first sight of Loch Ness.
And Nessie.
Your dad's seen Nessie apparently. Yeah.
Loch Ness shores. Kids love that.
Bit more of Loch Nessie, but no Loch Ness monster. Apart from Buster, he's a bit of a monster today. Just down there, you can see in the distance down there in the valley is the campsite we stayed on right by Loch Ness, and we're just off now to Alnwick. Did you want to say anything, Glenn?
Oh, good morning. It was a great campsite, great view, lovely walk up to the falls of Foyer yesterday, although they weren't really falling very much, the waterfalls, but good walk. Sweet paving. And Deb says we're now off to Alnwick. Going to be a 6-hour drive, give or take. First bit down to 4 Augustas, which is the bottom of Loch Ness. Mostly single track. And then once we get out down to 4 Augustas, we should be on normal roads. We've chosen to go a slightly longer route today. We're going to go down via Fort William and Inverness, Glencoe, just because it's a great scenery and it's a different route.
Not Sebco then.
Not Sebco, no, Glencoe. This is brother Glen. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Lovely view. Still got hills just outside Loch Ness, and we've still got the mountains, which is stunning. We're on it now on our way out of Scotland. We've got a couple of 100 miles yet before we get there, but so no doubt the hills will be dissipating as we go. Decided you got Graham's hand in the picture slapping the dashboard to try and stop it rattling. We think up there, although it's just now gone out of view, was Inverness with all the snow on top. So we thought we were stopping for a train or something, but actually the bridge is opening. So I thought we'd get a picture, and I don't know how long we're going to be, mind you. So I guess there's going to be a tall boat coming through that we might see. Do you mind interrupting my filming with your hand.
This is the Caledonian Canal.
The Caledonian Canal.
Yeah.
Boat with big sails. Should be coming in shot in a minute. There we go, it's in shot now. So that must be manned all the time.
Yeah, it's like, see some of them little interesting.
They never. Lots of snow up there.
Yeah, tops of the clouds.
Very windy. Very, very windy. Huh?
Big one, isn't it?
That's it, we're leaving Scotland. We're now back in England.